to show you how to open your computer Spec. So how can you know it? It should be pretty easy for Windows 10, right? Just go to the Microsoft Windows 10 symbol, then you go to Control Panel, you click Enter, and then you go to Search Control Panel, you go to Administrative Tool, which should be right here. Then you go down to System Information, click on it. Now you can find the OS name, the version, the processor, the system name, all that kind of stuff. You can find the RAM, the company, location and stuff. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, comment and like the video.